Thunderbird Business School, the producer of champions. Business schools are everywhere nowadays. All of them claim that they offer the best in business education. But when it comes to choice business schools, only a handful has proven that they can produce the best. And yes, Thunderbird Business School is definitely one of them. The school was founded in 1946 by the great Lieutenant General Barton Kyle Yount. He was the commanding general of the U.S. Army Air Training Command. During his time, General Yount envisioned that the country needed international executives, and he knew that to answer that dream, he has to build a business school. The school that he built focused solely on international management. It was in April 8, 1946, that this dream was realized. This business school is formally a training facility for American, British, Canadian, and Chinese World War II pilots. Some of the buildings that were used for this purpose could still be found in the campus today. The most prominent are the control tower on the airfield, hangars, and barracks. It also boasts of being the largest and oldest graduate management teaching facility in all of the United States. Even up to now, its aim is still to prepare and produce global business leaders, which is evident on its mission statement: we educate global leaders who create sustainable prosperity worldwide. Some of the achievements that the school is truly proud of are the following, and these are just the most current awards given to the school. 1. International Business. With its 7th consecutive first ranking, the Wall Street Journal Harris Interactive Survey of Corporate Recruiters, 2007. 2. Best in International Business Full-Time MBA Financial Times, 2007. 3. 7 Most Family-Friendly Best Business Schools Princeton Review 2007. 4. 2 International Clients Custom Programs Financial Times, 2007. 5. 1 International Programs, with its 12th consecutive first ranking, U.S. News World Report 2008. At Thunderbird Business School, a student learns to perform business world-class. He would also learn to be aware of different cultures, and would acquire soft skills. And if you are not inclined to take business courses, the school also offers undergraduate programs in languages and liberal arts. They also offer engineering. Some of the business programs that the school offers are the following. 1. MBA in Global Management. There is a choice whether to take the course the traditional way or to study abroad. 2. Accelerated Program, MBA in Global Management, can be finished the traditional way or by studying abroad. 3. Post-MBA Master of Global. 4. Master of Arts in Global Affairs and Management. 5. Master of Science in Global Management. 6. Global MBA for Latin American Managers. 7. Post-MBA On-Demand Master of Global Management. They also have the so-called open enrollment programs. These are short-term, non-degree programs that give out certificates for business experts. These certificate programs help meet the obstacles of global competition, some management issues that are cross-cultural, and they aim to enhance international leadership expertise. Examples of their leadership programs include Global Leadership Certificate Program, which is PMI certified, Effective Leadership Communication, Engaging Employees, Key Stakeholders, and the Media, also PMI certified, Globalization, Merging Strategy with Action on the Course of Leadership, to name a few. With Thunderbird's rich cultural and historical background, students are sure to develop all the necessary skills that they need to survive in the tough world of business. And once they are equipped with these skills, they will surely excel in their chosen professions.